Alright, let's look at the homework 7.4, 7.5, problem number 5. Alright, so let's find the first partials and evaluate it at the 4, 0. Alright, so we need to find the partial derivative. So f with respect to x. Alright, so it's a quotient rule. So square the bottom, so you get x squared plus y squared. Right, then take the derivative of the top. Actually, there's 5, so can I just put 5 right in front here? Right, take the derivative of the top, that will be y times the bottom, so it's a square root of x squared plus y squared. Right, and a minus top xy. I'm not going to put 5 is already in front, so xy multiplied by derivative of the bottom. Alright, so this is a 1/2 power, so I'm going to use the power rule. Put 1/2 in front and keep the same quantity, which is x squared plus y squared, and subtract 1 from the power, so it's originally 1/2. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then multiply by derivative of inside with respect to x, so that will be 2x. Right? So let's clean it up a little bit. So you have there's a 2 on top and there's 2 on the bottom, so you can cancel those out. And another thing that I would do is since I don't like having negative power here, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by square root of x squared plus y squared. Right, square root of x squared plus y squared. Right, then what you can so what you're gonna get is let's say 5 is there. Right, and also we have y in common, so I'm gonna have y here and then there's y there, so I'm gonna just put y in front, and then what we get is if you distribute the square root of x squared plus y squared here, we get x squared plus y squared. Right, then if you distribute this guy here, you can actually cancel this guy out, so what you get is actually negative x squared, so minus x squared. Right, on the bottom you have quantity x squared plus y squared to the first power and 1/2 power, so 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2. Right, then we can clean up, let's see, x squared and minus x squared cancel out, so you get 5y cubed over x squared plus y squared to the 3/2 power. Alright, then what you do is just to plug in 4, 0. Actually y is actually 0, so this is going to be, if you evaluate, let's see, I'm going to do it here, at 4, 0, since y is 0, so this is going to be 0. 0 over anything is going to be 0. Right? So let's look at the partial with respect to y. Right? So put 5 in front. Right? So same quotient rule. Right? Square the bottom, so x squared plus y squared. Right? Derivative of the top is going to be x times the bottom, square root of x squared plus y squared, minus top xy, and then derivative of the bottom guy with respect to y would be, it's pretty much the same as before, except that when you multiply by the derivative of the inside would be 2y instead of 2x. Alright, then clean up in the same way, so you have a here and 2 cancel out, and then we can multiply top and bottom by square root of x squared plus y squared, square root of x squared plus y squared there, right? So you will get, alright, so we have, let's say x is in common, so we can put 5x in front, alright, and the denominator is the same as before, quantity x squared plus y squared raised to the 3/2 power. Alright, then if you distribute this guy to itself there, you get x squared plus y squared, and this guy cancels with that guy, so you're going to have minus y squared. So you can cancel those guys. So we end up getting 5x cubed over quantity x squared plus y squared to the 3/2 power. So if you evaluate that at 4, 0, you're going to get plug in 4 here, so 5 times and 4 cubed over, alright, so you have, let's see, 4, plug in 4 here, y 0, so 4 squared, raise it to the third, so it's a 4 cubed, right? So we have 5, right? So it would be 0 and 5. So let's type it in, 0 and 5, right? Let's submit for testing. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.